This tutorial teaches only a small portion of this dance. This is not a tutorial for the full dance.
Bring both arms straight up as you kick your left foot back to the left, then bring both arms straight out in front of you, palms facing up, bringing your left foot down in front of your right foot so that your heel is turned to the right. Turn your hands over and curl your fingers into fists. Pull your right fist back to your right shoulder, then straighten your arm again before turning your hands back over and uncurling your fingers so that your palms are facing up. Bring both hands to your chest as you straighten your left foot and bring your right foot up. Step in place on your right, then left foot as you move your hands toward the camera and then back to your chest twice, keeping them together the whole time. With your left hand on your hip, step in place on your right foot as you point to the left with your right hand, keeping your elbow bent. Then step in place on your left foot as you move your hand up above your head. Step in place on your right foot again as you move your right hand out to the right, then step in place on your left foot again as you move your right hand in front of your chest so that you are pointing at the camera. Step in place on your right then left foot as you slowly extend your right arm straight out toward the camera. Step in place on your right foot as you move both hands out to the side a bit, palms facing in and elbows bent. Then move them down, in, and back up quickly so that both hands are in front of your face. Move your hands forward a bit and bend your wrists so that your palms face up. Bring the toes of your left foot down over to the left as you bend your elbows to bring your right hand up to the right and your left hand down to the left, index fingers extended. Quickly twirl your hands 6 times, then put your left hand on your hip and extend your right arm toward the camera to point at it before bending your elbow to bring your hand back in. Turn your knees to the left and look down to the right as you slide the side of your right hand down your right side, palm facing down. Repeat this move in the opposite direction. Then do this movement with your right hand again twice. Step toward the camera with your right foot and bring both hands together, extending your arm straight out toward the camera with your left shoulder up. Lean forward as you bring your right, then left, then right shoulder up. Then lean back to stand up straight as you bring your left, then right, then left shoulder up. Slide your right foot out and back in a big clockwise circle as you move your arms out to the sides, then behind your back. Once your right foot is behind your left foot, look at the camera and bend your left knee. Hop in place on your right foot as you repeat the previous movement with your left foot, ending by looking at the camera and bending your right knee. Move your arms out a little way from your sides and hop on your left foot as you kick your right foot up behind you. Turn to face the camera as you kick your right foot out towards it, then hop in place on your right foot as you kick your left foot back behind you. Kick your left foot out towards the camera. Bring your left foot down and your right foot back up behind you as you extend both arms up, curling your fingers in to make circles with both hands. Bring your right foot back down, then run in place for 4 more steps, starting on the left foot as you wave both hands down toward your shoulders. Bring your left foot back down, put your left hand behind your back, and slowly extend your right arm out toward the camera, index finger extended, for 4 counts.